Connect the flipper via the USB cable and access the website Momentum. The site is not compatible with the Firefox browser, so use another one. Here I used Google Chrome for this activity. Gigahertz, garage door, gates, lights, and car keys. Importantly, the FlipperZero cannot copy current car keys that use rolling codes. 125 kHz RFID. Small key fobs use this frequency. The FlipperZero can copy access keys very effectively. NFC. Credit cards use NFC, but the FlipperZero cannot copy your credit card. It can capture some information from the card, but that doesn't mean you can use it as if it were your own credit card. Other devices that use NFC are hotel room locks, which use a card to grant access. Infrared allows you to control TVs, projectors, air conditioners, etc. GPIO allows you to connect a board for Wi-Fi network attacks. I-button. These are the small pins on the back of the flipper. You press them on ID buttons. Bad USB allows you to connect the flipper to computers so it can execute codes for a specific action. U2F stands for Universal Two-Factor, means two-device authentication.